Hi, Tank Cat. What do you got there? This is a Rubik's Cube. I learned it for my memories. Cool! Do you want to test it out? If I can solve it, I'll be happy. Okay. Whew. I didn't know. There. Is this how you solve it? Whoa, how can you do that in 10 seconds? That was 5 seconds. Wow, cool. Hey guys, come over there. What? Do you know how we can solve the Rubik's Cube in 5 seconds? What? How can Tank Cat do that? I don't know. I peeled the stickers off. I just really have solved it very easy in 1 second. Whoa, that's cool. I did that in 100 seconds. That's a lot. Yeah, I don't know, but it was medium. Okay, I'm gonna make that video worse. Here you go. There is. Wow, cool! Yeah, good job! Hey, what? Nice work, pal. Is that an 8x8 Rubik's Cube? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's really winter in September 18. Remember to really give me 90s easy thumbs ups. I know it. You will like it.